Hello everybody, welcome to Tree Dang channel, and today I'm going to show you guys a new awesome paper airplane. So just check it out now. Let me throw it. Wow! So let me pick it up and fly this again. Let me pick this up and fly this again. Check it out. Wow! Okay, so let me fly this one more time. Okay. Let me throw it up high. Wow! Let me pick it up again. This will be the last time I throw it. Okay. Whoa, no. Let me hold up. So if you throw it at 0 or below degrees, it tends to crash very fast. If you throw it at 30 to 40 degrees, it's the best degree to throw this plane. You can see that? Awesome, right? Hello everybody, welcome to Tree Dang channel. And today I am going to teach you how to make a new awesome paper airplane. The paper airplane is a new design and I just created the plane today. To make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of US letter size paper. If you do not have US letter size paper, use A4 paper. It should work as well. And now let's begin. But before we start, like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon for the latest tutorial. And just begin. Okay. First of all, let's flatten the paper down. And you see there's a crease already. There's a center crease, right? So let's do it. Let's me fold the paper again to create the center crease. Now I unfold the paper. Okay. Next step, let's fold the paper again to create the horizontal crease. Basically, this is the vertical crease. Okay, we have the center crease horizontally, and we need to create a vertical center crease. Vertical. Okay, whatever. Okay, so let's me fold out. Okay, does look good. Unfold the paper. Okay, so this is what we have. We have two creases. And now let's start from the upper edge of the paper, fold both sides to the center crease. Okay, rest of the paper. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side, especially this side. Okay, so that's look just fine. On the following step, let's start from the upper tip, fold it straight to this point. Okay, so just fold straight to that point. Rest of the paper. Okay, so you have a triangle shape up here. On the following step, let's do it this way. Flip the paper over. Start from this upper edge, fold both sides to the center crease. Well, this is not completely new design, right? Hold on until we finish the plan. Okay. If you ever do these steps, you already make the future. Okay. If you already know the future in my channel, you know the similar step had made before. So turn the paper this way and move this up a bit, because we're going to focus on this side of the paper. Alright, so I press the paper down. What I like about this current shape is this part. It's like a square. I like the square up here. And this part looks really cool, right? If you ever make a plan from Origami Enforcers, he collaborated with me on a certain paper airplanes, and this is a very similar force to that plane as well. Okay, so I give credit to Origami Enforcers for the steps. Okay, so this is what we have. Next step, I'll fold the paper in half and I pull this one up. Okay, here we go. All right. So when I pull this one up, is this one pop up? We're going to play around with the paper airplane to ensure that it will fly, right? So this part I will fold down. Okay. When I fold out the paper airplane, I will press this like this. I will adjust this step by step. So this is what we have, and I flip the paper over. I make the same fold. We have the head of the plane like this, like a dragon, right? It's really cool. And I pull it out. This is what we have. We have here. We have like an elevator on the top. So for it to the side, let me fix this. Wings here, and wings here. It's really cool, right? We have the head of the plane like this. You know what? It's not always goes up. So one of the trick we can do is you can fold this one down like this, and fold the wings just normally. Okay. This step we can finish at the step before. So let me show you guys how to do this again. Remember this step? You have two ways to make the head. You can make the heads look very nice, or if it's too difficult, I'll just slow down and show you guys this step. Okay, this is confusing now, but don't get confused. Now let's go back to the previous step. Let's see what we have. I fold the paper in half, okay, and I just made the wing normally. Okay, when I make the wings normally, this part will be here. But one of the easiest way is I pull this part of the paper airplane up to create the head of the dragon plane. Okay, so I pull it up, and now you have the head of the dragon plane like this. Okay, so this is what we have. Right, we have the head of the dragon plane. That's cool. Those planes look really cool now, but you can expect that it doesn't fly very well. Okay, there are a couple of reasons why it doesn't fly well. Okay. Anyways, let me pull this one down again and fold the wings back, and I can open the wings here. We need to have the plane fly, so for this part, the plane back into the edge, but our force inward. So like this. Okay. So by doing this way, I can enhance the wings a lot. The wings are very strong. Okay. Once I finish this side, I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Well, will this plane fly far? I don't know. I don't think this flies very far, but this is a very cool looking plane, by the way. Okay, so now we have cool wings, right? Okay, so it's look like a triangle, like a you know, the plane called the Aero whatever plane. It's look very similar, but now let's fold this one up. We have the head of the plane. Note that this head of the plane is drag, so we drag the plane a lot. We want to make a new plane, we have to sacrifice something. We're not going to make a plane that can fly 100 feet, 30 or 150, so 1,000 feet, whatever. Okay, we just make a plane because we're interested in making the paper airplane. Now, at the end of the plane, we have to fold up to create the elevators. Once I fold this size, and you can see at the estimate of the wings here, the end of the wings or the stabilizers is about 2/3 of an inch. Okay, so once I finish that side, I repeat the same for the other side. Okay, I finished the wings. I have a very cool looking head. I hold the plane right here. Actually, I will hold it right here when I throw the plane. This may not fly very well, so I will create the elevators here. Not elevators. Yeah, that's the elevator. So pinch elevators. Let me say again. Sorry, guys. I'm going to create the pinch elevators for both sides of the wings. to have the plane fly up. And of course, I'm not going to throw it super hard, because if I throw it hard, it will spin. Okay, it spin like that. That is not the goal. But if you want, you can try it out. Maybe you like a spinning plane. Anyways, so this is the end of the videos. This is a new paper airplanes. And what should I say? Oh yes, test it out yourself. Like the video. Share the tutorial with your friends. Subscribe my channel. And comment below. Let me know how you think about this paper airplane. And what paper airplane do you want to make next?